Welcome to our first annual activity on this place. If you're here, then you know we are trying our best. So let me share some facts with you. 1 in 3 people will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime here in America. Now, you hear 1 and it sounds too little or acceptable, but if you look at it as dots, you notice that 1 is little. And you may think the same with 3 or 5. But what would you think about 80 or even 200? Well, let me tell you, 1,600 people die per day due to cancer. If we get that amount daily, then in a year we have 606,520 American deaths, which is alarming. This doesn't stop us. We always keep improving. So we have 1.7 million participants globally with Relay for Life. We also receive help from 400 CEOs of US companies. Together with Relay for Life and Making Strides Against Breast Cancer, we raised $8 billion since 1985. We also receive help from 1.5 million volunteers. So overall, $5 billion were invested in research since 1946. We have 16.9 million cancer survivors alive today. We helped 3.2 million patients in the last decade, and we also fund resources for more than 1 million cancer screening in underserved communities. Our patrons share the values of the organization. They understand pretty well our role and know precisely what they will be asked to do. We always make sure these 3 points are clear with our patrons. As you may know, we all have differences sometimes, but we get united for the same reason. So we become a team. As in the first Avengers movie, we may want to fight against each other sometimes, or have objection for one or another part of a team. But this is a battle we need to win. We're partners against cancer. So let's face the real enemy. We become stronger when we fight together. And don't forget, we always need help. We couldn't do what we do without our volunteers, fundraisers, and donors. Together, we're making a difference. Thank you.